Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I want to tell you that CRO token from Crypto.com has tremendous potential to reach further prices in the future. So whether you're already invested or just curious about the potential for growth, stay tuned because I'm going to try to answer the question how Crypto.com is going through massive expansion and why its fundamentals actually point to a price increase. So let's get started. With Crypto.com and its CRO token is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. CRO, with its native token, plays a crucial role in the Crypto.com ecosystem by offering user benefits such as reduced trading fees, staking rewards, higher cashback rewards if you have their Visa card. And honestly, as Crypto.com's platform actually grows, so will the demand for CRO. And let me say something else. I don't think there's any other exchange that actually elicits a fan base like Crypto.com has. So when it comes to utility and real world use cases, CRO isn't just a speculative asset. It has a wide range of real world use cases on its platform. So holders of CRO can enjoy lower trading fees, higher rewards in the cards. You can stake CRO and you can get even more benefits. And as the user base grows, the utility and demand for CRO is going to naturally increase, which is a strong factor supporting its price growth potential. Now, there's something else that we need to keep in mind. So one of the key reasons I believe CRO can actually reach a much higher price, and I'll get to it in a second of what I think that price will be. It's his aggressive marketing strategy. Now, you've probably seen their branding everywhere, basically from the Crypto.com arena in Los Angeles, which is right here, to basically their sponsorships with the UFC, Formula One. You know, this kind of global marketing is crucial for mainstream adoption. And as more people use the platform, the demand for CRO will rise significantly. And that's what I believe. And I know they are trying to onboard 1 billion users. So this is their slogan, reaching the next billion users with the world's best partners. And they do this better than any other exchange out there, in my opinion. So when it comes to tokenomics and supply reduction, so I believe CRO actually benefits from strong tokenomics. So back in February 2021, now Crypto.com actually burned 70 billion tokens out of nowhere. They basically reduced the supply from 100 billion tokens to 30 billion tokens, which is a much smaller supply. Now with a smaller supply, any increase in demand can push prices higher. And let me say, the price has been remarkably stable during these turbulent times. Now, currently, CRO has a circulating supply of around 26 billion tokens. And as the demand rises, we could see a significant price increase. Now, here's something else where I actually believe they excel. So they have institutional partnerships, and they seem to be obsessed with regulatory compliance. Now, the regulatory approach of Crypto.com is another reason why I believe it has significant potential. Now, they have secure licenses in the US, which isn't easy, Europe, and Singapore. They are positioning themselves as one of the most compliant and trusted platforms globally. The legitimacy is key to attracting both retail and institutional investors. And with a strong foundation like this, I don't see why the price isn't just primed to rise. I mean, this is not going to be the one token where you're not going to be able to sleep at night thinking that it's going to collapse overnight. Now, yes, the exchange, or any exchange for that matter, can be risky. You know, not your keys, not your crypto. And I'll be the first one to tell you that Crypto.com doesn't have the cheapest fees out there. But honestly, you're investing in the platform. So in all reality, at the current price, I believe it's a steal. I don't see how its previous all-time high was close to 81 to 82 cents, depending on where you look at it. I believe this can easily reach minimum 2 times its all-time high. And I honestly believe it's going to be about a $2 increase. So from this point, a $2 CRO would be an easily 20x for you. So in all honesty, it would be pretty smart for any investor looking to get into CRO if they don't have any exposure to it. I don't see why you wouldn't have anything less than 10,000 tokens. Now, when it comes to staking and DeFi ecosystem, they actually have a DeFi wallet. For those of you who don't know, DeFi means decentralized finance, and it's basically a self-custody wallet. So if you have your tokens there and you have the keys, your crypto. So now through Crypto.com's Chronos chain, users can stake CRO, they can earn rewards while participating in DeFi services like lending, borrowing, yield farming. And as DeFi continues to grow, platforms that integrate CRO will see more usage, further driving demand for the token and helping push the price to $2. Now, when it comes to bullish momentum from the broader crypto market, as the broader market grows, so does CRO's potential. And we've seen how exchange tokens like Binance, BNB, they have surged in value during bullish periods. Some of you guys may not know this, but Binance actually burns tokens and they mint tokens depending on market conditions. And CRO is well positioned to follow a similar trajectory. All it would take is for CRO to say, hey, we're going to burn 10 billion tokens, or we're going to burn half of the supply. And that would have a massive shock in the market. And with the adoption of crypto continuing to rise in the world and more people using platforms like this, it's really a clear path for CRO to reach $2. Now, one thing I forgot to say, now if you don't have a crypto card, these are actually very good cards. Now, I actually have myself the purple one. They come with different level benefits. Now, they ended up bringing the rewards down when the market started tanking after the last bull run. But it's understandable that since there was less money to go around, they had to cut back and tighten their belts, which I actually applauded that. But you can even get a free card, or you can get the red card at the very least and get some cash back for all your purchases. So why wouldn't you do that? So for some final thoughts, now, honestly, solid tokenomics, global marketing push, regulatory compliance, growing utility in DeFi. The fundamentals are there. Now, this is not a shit coin. This is not a meme coin. This has solid fundamentals. Now, if we take into consideration a reduced supply, which could be further reduced by a surprise burn, and then increasing demand, CRO is honestly in a strong position to see a significant price appreciation. Of course, this is never financial advice, but based on everything we've covered, a $2 price point for CRO seems extremely realistic. So, I hope you got some value for this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.